So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today LeetCode problem is found in mountain array. Okay, it's a lot of description. Let me explain you this shortly. Okay, they give a mountain array. What it means by mountain array? Like in mountain, you have to go up, then you find a peak, and then you have to come down. Just like that in array, like you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like you are increasing, right? You are going up to the mountain or to the peak. Okay, like 1, then 2, then 2, 3, then 4, then 5. Now you reach the peak because after 5 you have to come down, right? Like 3, 1. Okay, so this is called a mountain array, and so they give you a target value and we have to find the index where the target value is. Like 3 in this array, like 3 appears at index 2, also index 5, right? We have to return the minimum index. Okay, the minimum index is what? 2. So the minimum index is what? 2. So you have to return 2. So how we can solve the problem? So by seeing this array, you can say, okay, I will traverse through the array. First, we found the element, we return the index. But think about it, it's a heart level problem. You can't solve the problem by just iterate through it, right? So what we can do to pass the test cases, right? Uh, think like that. Okay, from 1 to till 5. Okay, it's a sorted array. Let's check, like 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. It's a sorted array. Okay, now from 5 to 1, it's also a sorted array but in reverse order. Okay, so if somehow I can found this peak, I know that for this peak, the left part is a sorted array in ascending order. The right part is in what? Descending order, right? So for this peak value, like when we find a peak value or the index of this peak value, okay, we can run a binary search to its left part as well as to its right part. So as well as its right part, and we try to find this target. If we don't find this target, we have to return -1. Let me show you the code so you can understand it very easily. It's a very simple code actually. Let me show you the code. So this is the Python code, and I take the length of this array, and I set a left pointer at 1 and right pointer at n minus 2. Why I set a left pointer at 1 and right pointer at n minus 2? Let's check. Like the left part is what? 1, like 0th index, and the most right part is what? 1. So it's not a peak, right? It's never going to be a peak. Like for 1 1, for 1 2, they are not going to the peak. Okay, so peak is always in somewhere middle, right? It's not in the most right part or most left part. Okay, so this one and this one never going to be a peak, so I don't consider them. So I start L as 1 and the right pointer as n minus 2. Like from this 2 to this 2, our, like from this 2 and up to this 3 is our search space. Okay, we run a binary search in this. Okay, now we run a binary search at this. Okay, now check the conditions. Like how I know we are in left part or right part? Think about it. Now if I am in this left part at 3, suppose I am at 3, just check, let's check, the element before this 3 is less than that, and element after this is greater than that. Okay, so here you can see the element mid minus 1 is less than the element mid. Also the element is greater than the element m. Okay, m plus 1 is greater than, then we know we are at the left part. Now I am at 3, so my left element is less than 3 and my right element is greater than me. That's why I have to increase my search space in a right side. Now I have to search in this place, right? Okay, so I increase my m as, I increase my L as m plus 1. And now to the opposite, like if I am at right side, like I am at this 3. Now think about it, the left child of this 3 is greater than that, and the right child of this 3 is, the left element is greater than 3 and the right element is what, less than 3. In this condition, like this condition, the left element is greater than the mid and the right element is less than the mid. Okay, so in this case, like I am at 3, so I have to what, I do have to do what, I have to check in left side. So that's why I reduce my right pointer to m minus 1. And else part, like I am at 5, right? So my left pointer is what, is less than me. Also my right pointer is what, less than me. So if they both are less than me, if that means the else case, I know this is my peak point, right? So I break this while loop and store that mid value as peak. Then now we have to check its left part as well as the right part, and then if we don't find anything, we will return -1. So this is all about this problem. So thank you all. That's all for today.